Welcome to our in-depth look at Juvéderm Dermal Fillers, a cornerstone of modern aesthetic treatments known for their transformative effects. Juvéderm is a collection of hyaluronic acid-based fillers that are celebrated for their ability to rejuvenate and enhance facial features. Since its FDA approval in 2006, Juvéderm has become a trusted choice among practitioners and patients for its safety and efficacy. Targeting key facial areas, Juvéderm products like Voluma XC, Volbella XC, and Ultra XC are tailored to address specific aesthetic concerns, from lifting the cheeks to plumping the lips and smoothing smile lines. Juvéderm uses a smooth gel formulation, leveraging the hydrating properties of hyaluronic acid, which is naturally found in the skin, to deliver results that are both immediate and long-lasting. Patients can expect a quick and relatively painless treatment experience, with results visible immediately and lasting up to 2 years, depending on the specific product used. Juvéderm not only provides a non-surgical option for facial rejuvenation, but also requires minimal downtime, allowing you to return to daily activities almost immediately. For aesthetic practitioners, Juvéderm offers a versatile tool to expand your service offerings and meet the growing demand for non-invasive procedures. To learn more about how Juvéderm can benefit you or your practice, visit IAPAM.com or contact us today.